Yes, man. Such man. Such man. Let me ask you a question. Our purpose you serve pan Godland? Eh? What purpose you serve pan Godland? Eh? You know, say it's an embarrassment and a disgrace to Jamaica and Jamaican culture. Boy, they on video, a flash your fin them and a go on with things and a go on and a go on. Eh? Eh? Yeah, go on like say, when the Almighty create this world, yeah, if him never create, everything has appear. Eh? So all you want go against the odds? Eh? Use a disgrace and an embarrassment towards your mother and father. You understand? Is a disgrace to your mother and father. You understand? Me say me people, when me see the boy step out, you know, on this big show, you know, we go on there, you know, me a cheer for the boy, you know. And me a tell my people, when me look like we bounty killer say, when me look, I fin me see, gill, scale and everything, me I say, my God. You understand, my people? And this boy, I jump up, I call up the icon them name. Like say, him right. Eh? Or you feel wrong and one right? Answer me such man. Or you feel wrong and one right? Eh? Answer me. Eh? You live in a delusional world, man. And you know the truth too. You understand? You know the truth. And you know say certain things is not accepted in our culture. So who is you now to come and dirty up our culture? Eh? And I put this grace upon our culture. Eh? Who is you? Eh? He's a disgrace to Jamaica, youth. He's a big disgrace to Jamaica. You can't talk to Bounty Killer. You can't talk to Sizzla. You can't talk to Foota hype them. Them youth, they keep it real. You understand? While you make man have you a wheel like a cotton reel. You see me? Why me I tell you? You come like a little black bug them a Jamaica we push shit. You know they call them doodle bug. You understand? He's a doodle bug and your new name that doodle bug. That's your new name, doodle bug. Come on, like a black bug they will push shit down in a hole, me know say love shit so.